Roll on highway, roll on highway, roll on. Welcome back, kiddos. How's the weekend been for all of you lot? Let's see what's been going on with all of you. Weekend. What was your name again, boy? I've forgotten your name.
Yes, we.
What are you drawing there, boy? Is that a drawing of the Syrian child that drowned in the water?
Wait.
This is a beautiful example of exercising your freedom of speech, boy. And I am so proud of you. All hail the freedom of speech.
Já foi!
Donnie! How you been, boy? You were licensed to that, boy?
Mr. Anderson, I'm only 14. I don't need a license.
You got a good point, boy. You've always been a clever one. Show me your helmet, boy! Right now! 10 out of 10? That's impossible for you. You must have stolen this off Donnie. Tell me the truth, boy!
That's my handwriting, sir.
Don't give me no excuses, boy. Don't make things up, boy! I'm gonna make bread out of you, boy.
Senhor! Ah, juste oui! Seems to have some kind of timekeeping device. Kiddos, I'm just gonna pop out for a second. I'll be back in just a minute. This is what these training days are all being made for. Let's make something happen. Give me the Ministry of Defense. We got a code red. A code red. I repeat, a code red. I repeat, we have a code red. A code red. Sir, red and gold. Sir.
Yes, Donnie, what?
I got pipe bombs at home. Should I bring them in?
How the hell's that gonna help, boy?
I can kill everybody.
Give me that. Son, you need a run. You're one of the good apples. Say goodbye to your parents for me. Don't look back, boy. I'm doing this for the United States of America. America.
Alright, we made this video just to highlight how stupid society is getting, and it's getting worse and worse. I mean, stereotyping, racism, Islamophobia, it's just getting ridiculous. And you know what's letting it brew? Well, it's the ability to lie about a particular group and give false information, all in the name of free speech without any boundaries, which gives media outlets the ability to make black people look bad, to make Muslims look bad, and make certain groups just look infallible. Firstly, the media is so skewed. Whenever a black person does a crime, it's because he's black. Or whenever a Muslim does a crime, it's because he's a terrorist. But when a white person does a crime, then he's just crazy. Secondly, we have publications like Charlie Hebdo saying so much trash and having no remorse and making fun of anything. Recently, a cartoon was drawn by Charlie Hebdo publications of a Syrian boy who drowned and came to the shores in Turkey, and they made a cartoon about that. I mean, that doesn't make no sense. And just recently before that, they made a very messed up cartoon of the refugees that drowned in the Mediterranean when their boat capsized and 200 of them died. And you know what they did? They drew a cartoon with a woman singing on it and making it look like the Titanic. I mean, come on, that's really messed up. Where are all the I Am Charlies now? And you know what? I don't blame you, because they made you think that what they're doing is right. But if you actually looked at the cartoons, they're really messed up. They even drew a picture of a black politician in France and depicted her as a monkey. I mean, that's so messed up. What is this world coming to? And recently, another clip has emerged of a young black teenager being beaten up by police in broad daylight, filmed on someone's phones. And it's so exaggerative and an abuse of power how the black community is being treated by police. It's so messed up. And they call this the 21st century? We're moving backwards. It's more like we're in the 1st century. Humanity is almost dead.